Hello you lucky things! You have clearly bought one of our Crimbo Limbo calendars, or been given one of our Crimbo Limbo calendars. And what we're going to do is when you scan the little QR code on the back, which you've done every day, we'll make a little drink that goes with it. So today is Boxing Day, the 26th. So let's open the 26th, see what we've got. It is Tuesday. And today we've got just a red top Pickering's gin. Well, not just a red top Pickering's gin, a red top Pickering's gin. A classic gin for a classic gin and tonic. And remember, it's time to deal with the wrapping paper. Okay, so I don't really need to teach you how to make a gin and tonic, but for the sake of good television, we'll do it anyway. Pouring ice everywhere. Ice! Do you want a single or a double? So obviously this is a double measure in here. So we're going to go double measure. Like so. Listen to it. And garnish with a massive chunk of pink grapefruit. Cheers.